Hello and welcome back to another episode. For those who already know me, thanks for coming back, and for those who don't, my name's Daryl and I'm the owner of Crystal Clear Polishing. So in this episode we're going to be working on this Polestar 4. It's going to be receiving the Wax is Dead Ultimate Plus, which is a 10-year coating. This is the best coating. It can be used on the paint, the glass, the wheels, literally everything everywhere. So this job's a little bit different. Customers just picked it up, brought in, there's a few light scratches and things on it which we are going to remove. We're going to use the 10-year coating on the glass, the paint and the wheels. We're not going to be doing the calipers purely for the reason that we're going to be painting them. So we're going to paint the calipers silver so they look OEM, they look bare metal, but you won't get the rust in. So the car will always stay clean, it'll always be pristine, detailing done properly. So that takes us on to the next thing. Obviously you're watching us on YouTube. We do love doing our YouTube channel, it takes up a lot of time. So if you could please just press the like button and hit subscribe, that makes a massive difference to us and our algorithms. Also lets us upgrade our camera equipment once we start getting paid for it. Obviously these videos are done out of enjoyment, they're done for the customer and yourself sat at home watching this. But yeah, please do like and subscribe, and don't forget to share if you've got friends or whatever that would be interested. So anyway, let's crack on with this. I'm going to get the pre-wash on. I'm not going to use snow foam today, I just want to fancy using something a little bit different. So I'm going to use the pre-wash. We're going to go with the old pump, squirt all over the vehicle and jet wash it off, and then we'll go from there. If it needs snow foam, then we'll do it. But yeah, Wax is Dead Ultimate Plus, here we go. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So this is a citrus-based pre-wash we're using. It's safe on all surfaces of the vehicle. Obviously, like any product, you don't want to let it dry. It does work really well, cuts through pretty much anything. If there's any dead flies or anything like that, it just dissolves them. And obviously you remove everything else once you go over with your jet wash. So while we're here, this is another really good reason why you should always contact a detailer while purchasing your new car, or even before purchasing your new car, because this vehicle has supposedly had SuperGuard put on it. Now, as you can tell from the paint, there's clearly nothing on there because there's no beading whatsoever. The customer had obviously noticed this, gone back to them and told them what he thought of them, I suppose. But as you can tell, there is no protection on this car, so don't fall for the tricks of the dealers. Lifeshine, SuperGuard, all these different coatings, they may be okay if they're applied properly, but obviously most of the time they're not, and I don't think I've ever seen one applied properly. So make sure you do your due diligence and you do your research, and make sure you choose the right person for the right job. Got a few patches just here where I'm guessing there's been some sort of previous repairs. Well, not necessarily repairs, but they've tried polishing out scratches, but they haven't done a very good job, and they haven't got the holograms out. So I'll show you these now. It's a fantastic colour, but look at all of these holograms. So our main objective is to remove all of these holograms and swirls to get this paint as best as we can. You see on the wing here, see these light patches here, look? We need to remove all of these. And look at that there, horrendous. And this is what the dealerships are selling you with your SuperGuard on. So now the vehicle's all cleaned and washed, we're going to mask up all the rubbers and the plastics, any textured bits that we're not polishing, because as I always mention, this always allows us to get right to the edges of the panels. If you're not masking up, you ain't doing your job properly, so this is what we need to do. Once we've done the masking, then it'll be on to polishing, so we'll remove all the bits I've just previously shown you, all the holograms and scratches and things. We get this thing as shiny as possibly can be, and then we get ready for coatings. So this is a very important step of the process, as I previously mentioned. Reason being, because you've got quite a small edge here. So if you're not taping up this rubber, you can't polish that without damaging the rubber underneath. This is why I'm always saying that you need to be doing your masking. Right, so now the vehicle's been all prepped and cleaned with IPA cleaner. We're going to get it ceramic coated now. We're going to use the Ultimate Plus from Wax is Dead. This is the Elite only installer. You might see me struggling a little bit today because usually we wouldn't apply a coating if it was over 70% humidity. But in the unit today, because someone silly left the door open and it is absolutely hammering it down outside, the humidity levels are actually 74%. So although it's only 4%, 70 is the maximum. It won't mean that this coat is going to fail, it just means it's going to be an absolute pig to install, because obviously coatings use humidity to dry, so it'll be drying a lot quicker than what it normally would. But yeah, so let's get it done. I love a challenge. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get it done. Right, so today's another day. We're going to get these calipers painted today. We're going to get the wheels ceramic today. We're going to get everything finalised and finished today. So what have we done so far? So we've washed the car, we've prepped the car, masked everything up, we've polished the car, we've ceramic the car. Glass has been ceramicked, roof's been ceramicked, obviously roof's glass as well. All the paintwork's done. Literally all we've got left to do now is paint the calipers, ceramic the wheels, and try and do something with these covers to improve them, and then we can ceramic them. So yeah, we're almost there. Don't forget, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. It costs you nothing, but it means the world to me. Thank you. Right, so as you've just seen, we've already prepped these with the Wax's Dead IPA cleaner, same as the car. So now we're going to go in with the Wax's Dead Ultimate Plus, which is the same coating that we used on the paint and the glass. We're also going to do the aero ducts, if you call them that. These just sit in there nicely and finishes the look of the wheel. So yeah, we'll get that applied. There we go, just going to do the barrel, and that's one wheel completely ceramic. So we'll leave this secure and then we place it back on the vehicle.